When it's time to come out, guys, slowly make your way to that forward fold and then wait for your partner to get their heels in, toes wide, hooking the arches onto the backs of your heels. So just hang out in that forward fold. You can have your hands on your calves. And this is where if you have your legs extended, you might have to lean back more. If you have your knees bent, you can use your arms a bit more controlled. So you have to find that counterbalance. If there is a third person available, you can always have them right here. But you're talking to each other. Don't just let go. Stay connected. This is a hamstring opener. This is a lower back release. This is a neck release. But it's a big trust builder. And you'll see why as soon as you start doing it at home. Remember, if you lose connection, you just bend the knees, you drop your tailbone. Or if you're, God forbid, you might fall, just tuck your chin and roll out. It's a lot of fun. I suggest staying on your feet. With the music, of course. Slowly, to come out again, the knees bend, the tailbone drops, the chin lifts. You have to let go when you have your feet connected. Slowly come up and switch. Those who were once downward dogs now get to be the back benders, and those who are the back benders get to be the downward dog. It's gonna change as soon as the proportions are different. So where it might have been an easy fit first might be challenging on the second round.